How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're gonna open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone. So I have opened it up on my iOS. You can also do this on your Android. So once you open up your TikTok, you can see I have few followings actually, but sometimes we have hundreds of followings or even thousands of followings, and it actually becomes really difficult to unfollow them manually one by one, because right now I can actually unfollow them really easily if I have like maybe even up to 100 200, but if it's in thousands, it's in like 700 800, so it's very difficult for us to unfollow everyone at once. So how we can do this, you can actually go to your profile here, click on these three lines at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy. After selecting setting and privacy, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and click on report a problem. Now you can see we have report a problem here. So in here, we're gonna go for follow, likes and comment. And then we have following and unfollowing users. So you're gonna select this one. And now it says report a problem. So it shows us how to follow someone and how to unfollow them, but we need more help because we want to unfollow everyone. So we're gonna select no here. Is your problem resolved? No. So now it will take us to need more help. So click here. And now you have to enter what you're looking for. So you will type in your text and enter your username. Make sure to enter your username here. Plus, make sure to take a screenshot of the following that you have, like the people you're following. So if it's like 800, 900, whatever your following is, you can just take a screenshot of your profile first where it shows that you're following like thousands of people. So make sure to add that image here, click on submit, and your report will be sent to TikTok, and TikTok will get back to you in 24 hours and your problem will be resolved. This way we can unfollow everyone on TikTok with the help of TikTok, and it actually works. So you can try it out, and I hope it works for you. I hope this video was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.